Hello, my beautiful art people. Today we're going to be doing something very cute and pink and girly, inspired by Rinskes. But first, let's enjoy the intro. So I told you guys we're going to be doing something pink. I saw Rinskes do this very beautiful pink and it reminded me of like fall inspired colors like sweater weather. So I decided to give it a try myself. She used Venetian rose and I don't have that because I haven't purchased it. And I do a lot of custom mixing and I just mix this myself. I use rose pink and I added a little bit of magenta and some brown to it. The same colors that I'm going to be using to blow out against this pink. So I'm just going in with my scraper and scraping off what I do not want to use. I put down a little bit too much because I got excited. All of the colors are by either Artsts Loft or Liquitex. I will put the colors down in the description box below and let you guys watch me create. So now I'm just blowing out my white. I prefer to do this method, the reverse Dutch pour method. I tend to control how much paint I put on my canvas, and I still flood my colors. As you can see, I still go through and I flood the colors. I just don't lose my colors in my base by putting them down this way. I had a comment on my last video, someone saying that they don't see the point in doing this, and that's completely fine. You just have to find what works for you. This method happens to work better for me. If it works the other way around for you and you get your desired results, then that's the way you should do it. But this is just how I prefer to blow my colors out. Alright, and now for the fun part. We're going to blow these colors out. Look at how beautiful this magenta and this brown is. It's so warm and so pretty. I absolutely love it. Look at it. It's so pretty. So now I'm just doing some finishing touches using a straw. I went around and did some with my mouth, and this is how it turned out. I love this. I cannot wait until it is dry because this is going to be stunning. I cannot wait to put this on my website. It's going to be so pretty. And I'm going to take you guys down so you can see what it looks like. Notice the beautiful magenta inside of the pink. This is stunning, you guys. As always, thank you so much for joining. I will see you guys next time. Oh yeah, leave some color suggestions for me. What colors do you want to see me try to work with?